Okay, let's take the second equation and solve it for x. And what do you get there? X would equal y minus 2. So this is what x is. You're going to pop it into the first equation. And let's see what you get. You get 16. Whoops. 16, that's the x squared, y squared, minus 104. X is y minus 2 again. You get y equals minus 105. Let's repeat these steps over here. Someone says, oh, it's missing. No, what's missing is the work you need to do to get there. All right? So you need to do work, and you get this over here. I got to be honest with you, though. For a lot of students, this becomes a problem. And what's the problem about this thing over here is not believing it can be done. Of course it can be done. What does that mean? This here, you'll be able to factor it. What I recommend you use the rational root theorem to help you out with it. So in the rational root theorem, you say plus or minus the factors of 105 over the factors, that's plural, sorry, of 16. All right? What's the problem with that? It's a large number of factors, but you're going to come up with a list, and you want to start early. All right, so what's a good number to try? I would say, like 1, because 1's a factor of 105. Another number you could pick is like, 5, yada, yada, yada. The factors of 16, you got 1, you got 2, yada, yada, yada. You got to start trying. And I don't mind using a calculator. But I will say this, though. Probably you're going to start to realize that they're fractional, all right? And I'm going to say you're probably, with a little bit of trial and error, you're going to land on the factors we're saying you're going to land on. For example, I think the first one you're probably going to hit is minus 1/2. And then you land on another one, and all you got to do is find 2. Because once you find 2, you can do a long division to find the other ones, all right? Now, again, I know it's work. And again, this is going to be work too. This is work. A lot of people find that work to be very tedious. But again, use a calculator if you need help with the computation. Not a bad idea. And you can go through it very rapidly, by the way. By the way, if you have a calculator, you can also factor it very rapidly. That's not what we're looking to do. We may be looking to reduce some of your workload in your arithmetic, but not your workload in the factoring department. But you'll eventually get this thing factored into this over here. And you got a bunch of y's now. And what are the y's you're going to get? Well, you're certainly going to get minus 3 over 2. These are the y's, by the way. You're going to get minus 1/2. You can get 5/2, and you're going to get 7/2. And, the bottom line is you go through the work. And so what work are you talking about? Plugging it in here and getting ordered pairs. So we've been doing a lot of these, and so I'm not going to do it now. But I'm hoping you're able to get this. You're able to get this, able to get this, and able to get this over here. All right, so I hope you realize what we're talking about. Y is minus 3/2, y is minus 1/2, y is 5/2, and y is 7/2. And I clearly see that. How do you get the x value? Use that second equation. Graph it. Actually, don't graph it. Look at my graph. And you should see those 4 points of intersection, all right? And we've been doing that for some time now. Again, we're really in the upper echelon of the party set. Thank you.